Page 6, the animal band. Well, this looks kind of ugly in places, but if you understand the chords, C chord and the G7 chord or the 1 chord or whatever the method book is teaching you, then this really isn't quite so bad, because you think of those chords, those notes in the chord, you just think of them as one thing, not 3 separate notes. Anyway, I'll get to that later. I'll look it over. It's about a page and a half long. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signatures. I see a bunch of quarter notes, dotted half notes, whole notes. Think we can handle all that. Both hands are playing at the same time, so I'm going to take it one hand at a time first, so make sure I understand what each hand is doing before I try and put them together. The right hand comes in on the second line with third finger on E here. That puts the hand here. And I assume you know the names of the notes in the music, that you've taken care of all that. If you haven't, good luck. That doesn't work very well. You need to know the names of the notes in the music. Anyway, we're here. And it's quarter notes. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they put the half note in the middle of that. This is the third line down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then rests, and then okay. On page 7, now the right hand gets the C chord. It's just 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. I'm just lowering the whole hand down. 1, 2. And again, think of it as one thing. You just see it in the music. You recognize it as a C chord. You just play it. You don't worry about the notes so much. It's 1, 2. 2 measures later, same thing. And the next line, now you got a flat sign in the middle, so the E goes down to an E flat. Yes, it's good. Remember, it's good for the whole measure, so both of those are flat. And then in the third line, we're back to what we were doing before. Left hand. Well, the left hand starts with the C chord down here, so we're in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then an F and a G. This is really all the left hand's doing for this page. You're just second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Page 7. Now the left hand gets the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Now it's an E flat. Except I have third finger on E. I'm going to use it on E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Back to what we were doing. So once I have an idea what each hand is doing, and I know I'm going kind of fast, that you can watch the video more than once or slow it to whatever you need to do. But I'm just trying to shorten the video a little bit. Let's put the hands together, starting with the second line on page 6 where they are playing. And it's here, and here, and then here, rest, and then here, and then here, 2, 3, 4. See, the dotted half notes you hold down, and then lift up on beat 4. And then the third line, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, 4 notes. Now page 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Get the idea. So I go through and I put the hands together, and then I slowly go through it and get rid of any hesitations. And because you're not really moving around, I mean, you're playing it here, but you need to be able to feel that move. You should be able to play this without looking at the keyboard also, this piece, eventually. Then I think about the articulation. The staccatos, I'm hinging at the wrist, and they're short. I'm on the key and I'm bouncing off. And second line, the left hand is doing this, the right hand's connected. There. Second line, last measure. That comes up on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The left hand's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, the left hand was done already. In interpreting it, you might lift them up together, but right now we're not interpreting it. We're playing it exactly as written. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then connect this. Page 7, staccato. Rest. See, again, now it's the other way around. In the first line on page 7, the last measure, this comes up on beat 4, but the right hand's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you're accurate and when you lift these hands up. So I do the articulation, and then once I have an idea of that, then I'll think about the dynamics. F at the beginning is forte, is loud, whatever you think loud. Don't get carried away. It's not super loud, just loud. But in the second line, I want this. I want that loud. That's got to be soft. I want to hear the melody. If you play them both the same, it tends to get lost in the chord because there's 3 notes against 1. So keep the left hand in the background here. It's just I'm sort of heavy here and I'm light here. See, that's melody, so it's got to be loud, and then this is soft. Page 7, now the left hand gets the melody, the right hand has to go back. Now, second line is soft, P for soft. The right hand's very soft. And then in the third line, you're loud, and the right hand, left hand is soft, stays soft. Like so. I know it's a challenge to play one hand louder than the other, but I'm asking you to keep at it. It does come eventually if you'll just keep at it. It might not come in this piece or the next, but if you'll keep at it, it will eventually start coming. Then you can come back and play all these pieces again for the fun of it, and you'll play them so much better. Now once I have all that, I think about the speed. Well, it's a marching band. Left, right, left, right. So this, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Somewhere in there. Left, right, left, right, left, right. All one speed, no hesitations anywhere. Please don't copy me. That's just one way of doing it. You don't have to take it that fast. You don't have to be that loud. You decide on what you're doing. And in interpreting, remember 1, 2, 3, 1. Feel is 1, 2, 3 if you can. 1, 2. Feel the natural accent. And on these measures, like the page 6, it's the second line, last measure. If you want, you can lift both hands at what that's interpreting it. You can lift them up at the same time. That's interpretation. We take these little fudges, little changes when we interpret. When we're learning it, you play it exactly as written, but when interpreting it, you might adjust things slightly. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. I'm going to do it all about the same. We're just checking notes and rhythms. We're not performing it. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 4. Rest, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest. 2, 3. Rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4.